In this video, I'm going to show you where to get promo codes for United Airlines. If you find this video useful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, on my web browser, on my mobile device, I'm going to click into it and then head on over to Google. And now from here, in the search bar, I'm going to type in promo codes for United Airlines. And then I'm going to tap on search. And now once that is done, you're going to have a whole range of third-party websites appear, from CouponFollow to United.com, Simply Codes, RealTailMeNot, WeThriftIt. So these are the main third-party coupon sites to get promo deals, etc. So for this one here, I'm going to use a CouponFollow. These all work the same, by the way. So once I'm in CouponFollow, they're going to show me a whole range of different discounts and coupon codes. So for this one here, I'm going to use this 35% off deal. So I'm going to click into it. And as it says here, United Airlines coupon code 35% off all orders. I'm going to copy this code and paste this code at the checkout section of United Airlines to activate the 35% off. These codes, if I go back, these codes here change every now and then. So if you come back, or depending when you're watching this video, these codes will be different to what you're seeing right now.